4.4. Oh, it's working. I've got something really exciting to show you here, guys. I've been tinkering around with my EPROM programmer, and I managed to upgrade the operating system finally. I know I've been talking about it for ages, but managed to upgrade the operating system on my AKAI S1000. Now this has gone from 3.0, which is quite high in the operating system range, to 4.4. Now 4.4 will allow you to load AKAI S1000 samples as native, as well as S1000 samples, and also S950 samples and programs as well. And that's one of the things that I like about this, is when you load 950 programs into it, it not only converts them, but it can read the tone programs, which means that if you've created a song in the past, you can actually have the whole configuration working perfectly. Whereas on the S3000, although it will load the samples, it won't actually make use of all the key groups, which is a bit of a bummer. So this is why I'm so excited about this, guys. It's working flawlessly. I did make one mistake when I first did this. I accidentally loaded the config file for the S3000 and it totally bricked my GoTech setup. When I say bricked, I don't necessarily mean bricked here. I mean like just stopped it working. I was able to fix it. Right, here we go. This is an S3000 disc. So look, we click on here, and as you can see, look, it says P3, meaning program free for S3000, and samples. So I'm going to do a little clear and load just to show you it working. Look at that. It's loading S3000 samples as native. That is absolutely fantastic. I believe that there's also some sort of upgrade on the time stretching. Don't quote me on it. If you've got operating system 1.0 on the S1000, it's worth you upgrading that, because you will get the time stretching and you will definitely get the file format set up as well. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about a new piece of kit that will allow you to put a hard drive and a GoTech in the same port. So more on that coming soon. So if you are liking this content, guys, please do like, share and subscribe, and I will do more videos like this. You'll really be letting me know what type of videos you like, and the ones that obviously get the most likes are the ones I'm going to carry on doing. So you can see here that there's a time stretch here. Maybe there's some more parameters. I don't know too much on this side of it, but this is definitely going to be a piece of kit that I'm going to have in my rack, no doubt. And I'm going to be fighting around with the inputs and outputs on the effects on the back. So what a piece of kit. I want to show you it just loading the S950, how it does that as well, just quickly. Here's some 950 stuff, 950 program that I've done there. So now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to clear it and I'm going to load it. Now there'll be some conversion there while it's doing it, because it kind of converts similar to how S3000 converts the S900 samples. However, I've noticed that this tends to do it a little bit more efficiently, i.e. There's not so many crashes. With the other one, it kind of crashes quite a bit when it comes down to this type of thing, whereas this is kind of flawless, and it seems to be loading them a bit faster. Yeah. So let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Have you done this before? Have you got an S1000? Do you have an operating system 1.0, 2.0 in it? Comment down below. Let me know what your operating systems are and what your favorite AKAI sampler is as well. Let's have a discussion. Let's make this an AKAI community, and also look out for my new tutorials coming up soon. Enjoy. Peace out.